Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. What Chapter 5 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. Okay, if you need help in this exam and if you want to deal for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do your complete my IT lab course, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access with A plus grade. So we will click on start button and I can do all other online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Statics and many more online courses. So if you need help in this exam and if you are busy with your job or your other activities, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will handle your complete course and you will be free from this course. So we will click on what chapter 5 simulation exam and click on launch button. So format the document to display as two columns. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on columns button. So we will select two columns. Okay, click the view tab and view the document as a one page. So we will click a view tab and we will view a document as a one page. We will click on one page button. So set the document margins to moderate. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on margins button. We will select portrait margins. Set two columns to display with the right preset and a line between them. Set the width of the left column to 4.1 inches with 0.25 inches of spacing after it press tab. Set the two column to display with the right preset. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on columns button. So click on more options, more columns. So we will set the two columns to display with the right preset and line between them click on line between them checkbox. Set the width of the left column to 4.1 inches, width of left column to 4.1 inches and 0.25 inches of spacing after it and 0.25 spacing after it. So we will click on OK, press tab and click on OK. Insert a continuous section break at the beginning of the document. So we will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on breaks button. So we will click on continuous section break. So question is done now. The next question of this exam is question number 2. And question number 2. Ensure that the insertion point at the beginning of the document type book trends. Okay, we will type book trends. Press enter 2 times. Okay, so position the insertion point in the paragraph masthead at the top of the document and set the shading style to 100%. So we'll go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will click on borders and shading style and go to the shading. So shading style to 100%. No fill and solid 100%. Okay. Select the masthead book trends. Change the font to copper black and change the font size to 36 point. Okay, we will select this and then select the masthead book trends. So change the font to copper black. Go to the home tab in the font group and go to the font style. We will select copper black font style. Copper black. So and change the font size to 36 point. So center the masthead. Center the masthead in the home tab in the paragraph group. Press center the masthead. Insert a two column, one row table below the masthead. We will go to the layout tab. Sorry, go to the insert tab in the tables group. Insert a two columns, one row table below the masthead. So we insert a table. The table have two columns and one row. In the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button, two columns and one row. So in the first cell, type volume 2 number 12. Okay, in the first cell we will type volume 2 number 12. So question is completed now. The third question of this exam is here you can see in the paragraph that begins books and more books, format the B in the first occurrences of books as a drop cap using the drop caption with a default setting. So go to the insert tab. Okay, click on dropped. Bold the lines show in the right column, writing best selling books of all times. Reading. Bold the lines show in the right column, reading best selling books of all time. Best selling books of all times. So we'll go to the home tab and we will apply bold on this. Okay, question is completed now. So the next question is question number 4. Okay, please focus on my laptop screen. Question number 4 is that open Microsoft Excel from the documents folder. Open the Excel workbook named best sellers. Open Microsoft Excel. Okay. From the document folder. Open and we will select this. Open the Excel workbook name bestseller. We will select this file and then we will open this. Select cell A1 to B6 and copy the data to the clipboard. Click the word icon on the taskbar to return the word paste the Excel data as a link. Microsoft Office Excel worksheet object on the blank paragraph after the heading in the right column reading best selling books of all time. Okay, select cells A1 to B6 and copy the data to the clipboard. Click the word icon on the taskbar to return the word paste the Excel data as a link Microsoft Excel worksheet object on the blank paragraph after the head in the right column best selling books of all time. Okay, copy and go paste special paste link. We select Microsoft Excel worksheet objects, click on OK button. So return to Excel worksheet, it's an A1 type book or novel press tab. We will go to Excel workbook, we will click on cell A1. So we will type book or novel. Book or novel and press tab. So save the worksheet. We will go to file and save. worksheet. Click the word icon on the taskbar to return to the Word document. Update the link so that the link data in Word matches that the Excel. Okay, sorry. Okay, click the Word icon on the taskbar to return the Word document. Update the link so that the link data in the Word matches that in the Excel. We will. Question is completed now. Okay, so you can see I have done. Center the table below the masthead showing the volume and number horizontally below the left and right margins. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group, go to the alignments. So I have done 5 questions. Save as. Click the file tab and select save as. Click browse and ensure that the document folder is selected. Save the document as a web page. Filter with the same name. Change the title to book trend. Go to the browse and save and click yes as advised that some formatted feature may be lost. Change the title as book trends. Oh, change type page title is book trends. Click on OK button, click on save button, click on yes. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 7 question of this exam in my video. If you want to do this exam from me, and if you do not able to do this exam, or if you are busy with your job or other activities, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My email and WhatsApp both are given in the description. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. You will free from this course. I will handle your all each and everything, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and I can do also other online courses, Microsoft Excel, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Statistics, business courses, and C++, Java, and other online courses. If you need help in any course, any simulation exam, any capstone, any caps assessment, any cumulative assessment,